everyone, it's Alysa. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. I can't believe it's already the end of the year. I'm just going to be doing a whole video right now of me getting ready for the new year, because tonight we're going to be celebrating. Don't know what we're going to be doing yet, but I wanted to take you guys along with me on how I get ready for the new year. So the palette we are going to be using is partially this one. This is the 25A palette from Morphe. It has a lot of neutral shades, and that's where I'm kind of trying to stick with. I had some warmth in the brushes that I've been using, so it did come out a little warm. Like, there are some warm tones in the top, but it goes super neutral towards the lid. Then we're gonna hit it with this very cool tone brown. Some of my favorite memories of 2018 would probably be traveling a lot, because I like traveling, and I don't know, I just love seeing new things. I like seeing the world, so that was definitely a lot of fun. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so far this is the eye look. So this is the fit. Sorry, my room is messy. But we have this velvet striped tube top from Forever 21. It's a bodysuit, super soft. And I'm just wearing some black jeans and this oversized boyfriend jacket from Forever 21 as well. And these jeans are from Hollister. They're high-waisted. And I threw my hair in a ponytail because I just wanted something like sleek. Something super quick, but yeah, something chill. And I think I'm going to pair them with my thigh-high boots, just because it is actually raining this New Year's Day. So yeah, that will be the outfit. I really tried laying my edges with some gel. But yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing New Year. Be safe, and I hope you guys liked this Get Ready With Me video. But yeah, I'm so excited to start off this year off right. I definitely started a bullet journal to kind of keep track on what I do this whole year, and I hope I am just very consistent, because that is the key. This new year is being consistent and the hustle, because I definitely want to be traveling or trying to travel more in my life, and that's what I find brings me a lot of happiness. And obviously traveling with my boyfriend is one of the best things ever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to share with you guys more this new year. Happy New Year! I love you.